Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The next big event of the crypto world is nearing. Binance Blockchain Week in Paris is going to be in full swing for September 14th. Today, the biggest crypto exchange received early bird tickets to this event. The 3-day conference is limited to 4,000 tickets that can be paid for. Furthermore, Binance launched a $20 giveaway competitions for crypto enthusiasts who complete any of the 5 challenges. Complete challenge for free crypto or a ticket to Paris. The simplest way to get a seat at the highly anticipated crypto conference is to tell CZ a good reason for going to Paris. Ultimately, the unparalleled speaker lineup is a good enough reason by itself, but the participants will have to get more creative than that. There's a dedicated page on Binance for the free trip to Paris with a short questionnaire. However, it's very important to join one of the communities beforehand, for instance, Telegram or Discord. Secondly, any creative crypto enthusiast can draw or design a picture of their imagined Web3. The picture has to be related to moving, gaming, or events, and a BNB logo must be used. Once your unique metaverse piece of art is done, on the top of the stylish crypto lovers now can design a black and yellow Binance outfit and fly the drip on Instagram or TikTok. There will be 2 winners chosen and they will get $400 Binance coin each. And so, when you are ready to voyage, furthermore, there's a Web3 inspired Instagram filter dropping on the 2nd of September. Users who try out the new filter are able to share another $500 in Binance coin. Last but not least, any crypto enthusiast who can't make it to the event live shouldn't buy their names. There will be a unique chance to win $1,000 in Binance coin while streaming the conference from anywhere around the globe. In that case, just simply capture the screenshots and describe why the moment caught your attention. Early bird tickets are live now at this moment. There are still tickets to the Binance blockchain for $525, which is 20% less than the regular price. The promotional sale will only last until the end of the day, while tickets to the conference will be priced at $700 starting August 20th. Ultimately, sitting at the table with the crypto greats and sharing ideas about metaverse in the gorgeous surrounding of Paris is easier than ever. Ultimate is Liz. Danny misuse of funds, blames it on investor. Popularized it as a Pokemon-like game. Ultimate Isles was on a break. Last week, Petlop Studios, the developer of Ultimate Isles, announced a hiatus from the development, which was met with backlash from the community. Several members from their community accused the developers of misusing the investor funds. However, in the last spot, the developers have denied the allegations. What is Petlop Studios saying? After the angry reactions and accusations, the developers gave out an official statement on the matter. For context, the studio had raised it. In the last blog post, the developers have stated that they use all the funds raised through crowdfunding and investor for the development on the project. Petlop Studios and Ultimate Isles did not invest any funds into crypto. All funds raised through crowdfunding and through traditional investment were spent by the studio developing the game. The team responded. Ultimate Isles devs Danny misuse of funds, blames it on investor. Further, the studio also claimed that the break was due to a lack of funds. The company admitted to having exhausted all the available funds. The reason for the pausing of the game development is due to the company exhausting its available funds. We have around 70 full-time staff and have had so for over a year and run a smaller team for over 2 years. claimed Untimed Isley's team while addressing the allegations. To add to this, Untimed Isley's depth explained the lack of resource wasn't due to misuse of funds but rather due to investors pulling out support. Due to this, the game's early test version could not be released. The game was progressing well and beta testing feedback was very positive. Unfortunately, the crypto market crash meant that investors that were lined up earlier this year pulled out. This investment was necessary to make it through our runway to launch, the team explained. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.